Well, that was a pretty good morning so far with the TB40. Now I'm going to switch to the Nissan Oni Honryu 395. All right, so I just got done fishing the TB40 and I switched to the Oni Honryu 395. Same line, same flies, same water. Hopefully there's enough pools up ahead to get a good session in with this rod, so I don't have to go to another access point. Hard to explain the difference, but definitely a different feel than the TB40. Both of them are superb rods. I'm a bit spoiled to have these two, but that's why I sold so many, so I can fish rods like this more often. This is a beautiful stream. Can't believe all these years I've never fished this creek, and certainly not this section. Obviously the flooding changed it a lot. Very braided through here, but it certainly makes it easy to get around, I guess. All right, so I just spooked one little fish that was in the edge up here. Kind of some weird current going on in this thing, but let's see if there's anything hanging out down there. Oni, come here. There's one. Rainbow. Ooh. Oh, that's a fatty. Healthy. No, Oni, come here. No, no. Well, he's getting better at not grabbing at it. Took the bottom fly. Oh, super pretty. There it is. The first one with the Oni Honryu today. Just came to this nice hole. There's one. Ooh, nice one, brown. Come here, big guy. Ooh. Come here, little fella. No, Oni, stay. 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 There he is, little guy. Colorful. No, Oni, Oni, get back. All right, let's see if there's another one on that side. That was right at the back of the hole here, so I'm assuming we can get another one or two. Oh, that was a good take. Rainbow. Oh, come here, come here. That's a nice one. Oh, come here. He got downstream on me. Oni, no. Oni, no. Oh, he's foul hooked. Got him on top of the head. Oh, no. There we go. There's a healthy one there. Let's see where the fly is at. Oh, it came out already. Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, it's in his mouth. I was mistaken. I think it was just the second fly I saw sitting up there. Oh, 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 settle down. There we go. All right, I got this shallow little run here. Come here, Oni. Oni. Give it a few casts. They've been in the deeper pools, but you never know. Oni, come here. Get over here. Looks like there could easily be a fish hanging out on the outer edge. Oh, that was bottom. That's a fish. Little rainbow. He's going berserk. Which fly took the upper one? No. No, they both came off. Right there. Gave him a bloody lip. All right, some challenging area here, but you know there's fish in there. Oops. I might have to go up to the front of this spot. Oh, I saw a fish rise. Oh goodness, right in that little triangle of snags there. I think I'm gonna have to put on a wet fly and see if I can get him to jump up. Oh, there he goes again. All right, time to re-rig. Okay, so I put on a big Sakasa Kabari. This is actually one of the few times I use a fly not tied by me. This was tied by Oni himself. And on a rod designed by Oni with a dog named Oni. So we'll see what we could do. But this fish has risen several times. There he goes again, right there. I just got to get over this log to try to get an angle to fight him and land him if I can get him to come to the surface. Okay, this should be close enough. You stay. Oh, my net's caught. Hopefully I will need that. He will most likely take me under that log and break me off, but hey, you gotta try, right? When you see a first rising fish, there he went again, there and again. There he is. Oh, I got him over the log. First cast. Oh, he's got on this log now. Stay, Oni. Stay, buddy. Stay. Stay. Okay, come here. Come here. Here. Come here. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Stay. All right, all my Oni friends here. Oni fly, Oni rod, Oni dog. Oh, he took that deep. There it is. That was the pretty rainbow causing all that disturbance. No. Hey, stay. Let's see if there's another one over there though. Could have been a second fish. I didn't disturb it very much because he popped right up over the log, so let's try it. Try to pulse it on the surface here. I just saw a big fly, a natural. Well, maybe it was just one active one because there's nothing else there now. Well, that was cool as heck though. It was worth the fly change. I'm gonna get around. Oh, there's another one. No, Oni, no. Oh, geez. Oh, he went under there. It's a brown. Oh, get out of there. Get out of there. Whew. No, stay. He took me all the way under that log and then started to go over that log. Oh, how cool was that? That was the catch of the day. Cute little brown. Good thing that wasn't a big one, because never would have stopped him in that stuff. Thank you, Oni. Oh, there it goes. Well, I thought I saw one of the fish I saw. I thought it was yellow like that, the brown. All right, so I found an excellent hole here. I still got the Sakasa Kabari on and just stabbed my pinky with it. I'm gonna see if I can get something up to the surface, and if not, I'll put the bead head on if I have to, but I really don't want to. I'm gonna keep an eye out for any rising fish. Oh, one's looking at it. Oh, one came out and looked at it, came up from that log over there. Darn it. Oh, there's a nice one. Oh, that was a brown. Oh, get over here. Don't go in that stuff over there. Oh, yeah. Hang on, fish. He came out from that hole over there. Yeah. Hope I get my arm out of the way. He's just holding in that far side of the seam. Oni's bending. Oh, I just got the right amount of... Oh, he's tangled. No, Oni, come here. Come here, Oni. Oh, I'm gonna get him down here where it's a little softer water. Oh, jeez. He's tangled in it right now. Oh, he's tangled up in it. Oh, now he's untangled. Oh, no, Oni, he's tangling around my feet. Oh, yeah, that's a nice brown. Oh, that's exciting when they come up from the depths and snatch it. There we go. That's a nice fish. And the Oni. Oh, that made it worth it. Just when I was about to give up on the soft tackle and go to a bead head through there. All right, just work my way back. I already fished this hole on the way up, but I want to see if I can get one more finish on a fish here. I didn't get to the very head of this pool, if I remember right. It's very silty down at the bottom here, but let's see if I can get over up here. Okay, let's see if we can get one more out of here. It isn't very... Oh, there's one. Oh, it came off. That's a nice rainbow. Darn it. Oni, come here. Come here. Get over here. Come on. He's swimming. You goofy dog. You're a goofy dog. You're a goofy dog. There's one. Come here, Oni. Oni, come. Oh, Jesus, caught on him. Oni, come here. Oni. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's swimming underneath me. It was caught on his head. Oh, that was clumsy. Come here, good boy. You stay. You stay there. I didn't want to get tangled on his nose and break a tip or something, or snag on a hook. Now he's coming up here. He sees it. A chunky little rainbow. Ah, there we go. Good boy. You're a good boy. Yes. You're silly. You silly boy. There's a nice little rainbow to finish up the day.